if you want to set up your Square account, well, this one is going to be really easy. Now, the great thing about Square up here, or you're setting up your Square account, it's actually quite easy. You just need to follow the steps that you'll be seeing. But though, just keep in mind, you'll be providing certain details about yourself and your business information. So, how do we get started? First things first, you want to go to their official website, squareup.com. Now, at the top right, you want to go and just choose the option here that says sign in. And in the sign in page, what you need to do is you want to sign up. So go and just choose sign up. So in here, first is you want to provide the necessary details, like the email address that you want to use, the password, and also what's the local. So it's going to be in United States English for my case. And also you need to agree to Square's terms, privacy, policy, and e-consent. But once you fill out all the information here and click on I agree and click on create account, that should initiate the account creation process. So let's go and fill those up and click on create account. And in here, it's now going to ask you to provide some details about your business. That includes your business name and your business address. And if your business doesn't have a permanent physical address, you go and just select this one for now and just add your business name and click on next. Now, next it's going to ask you what do you primarily sell on your business. So in my case, maybe I'm going to sell retail goods. Now from here, it's going to ask you what's your annual revenue. Now let's go and choose not sure yet because we're pretty much new. And from here, it's going to redirect you into your dashboard. Now, the thing with your Square Up account or your Square account here is you need to understand that you first need to set it up. The great thing about, like what I said before, setting up your account is pretty easy. It's going to just guide you through the whole process. Like for example, getting your account to getting approved for to accept payments here. So you need to start that process. Now this one is required, so you need to make sure that you have this set up. So you go and just click on start and wait for a while for it to load up. But once it's actually loaded up, you just need to fill out some information, like what's the kind of business your business is about. So let's just say clothing. Click on next. And what kind of business are you? So you can go and choose one. So go and just finish that. But also, if you're not sure yet, you just want to set it up for later, go and click on finish later at the top right here. Click on finish later. So it will require you to provide some details and documentation in order for you to start accepting payments. So just keep that in mind. So yeah, in here you have the option to also start adding like your settings. So if you go to settings, you have your account settings here, like your personal information, your business information, your pricing subscription if you want to like get a plan inside Square. So this is how you do it. And also you can go and subscribe to Square Plus if you want. So and also like tax forms, fulfillment methods, device management, app integrations if you want to add like fully. Like obviously there are a lot of things that you could do in here. Let's go and just stick with the basics. Now also if you want to add like your inventories, like you go and just choose items inventory. Go and choose the items option, and you go and just choose like item library. Now inside the item library, you should have the option to start adding your items. So let's just say this is going to be a T-shirt. Click on the prices here, pricing. Let's just say this is going to be $15. Click on save, and that's your item. Now the great thing about this one is you go and just select the image itself, and you should have the option to start editing it, like the what's the description, what's the image for it, the location, point of sale, and manage inventory here. So that's how you do it. Now, also, if you want to like redesign your website, all you need to do is you want to go ahead and choose online. Go into online store. And in here, you can go and just click on start your site. Let's go and click on start your site. Now, in your site here, it should give you the option to start designing your website. So the great thing about Square here is you could just use this as an inventory, or you could go and just start selling online. So you could either choose shipping, pickup, click on continue, and you also have your phone number, your business information. You could go and just fill those up. But for now, let's go and click on skip for now. And from here, it should start building your store. Now, by the way, it is powered by Webly. So if you're familiar with Webly, it's like a site. It's a platform that allows you to design websites. So it was acquired by Square here. Just wait for it for a while. But yeah, so in here you should have the option to start designing your website and also your items, so and orders and fulfillment. So pretty much, let's go and click on edit site here, and it should start the option. So what's the design of your website? Let's go and just select Iris and Onyx here as an example. and you should be able to start designing it. But yeah, so you can go and click on publish at the top right, or you could change a few things like what's the header is going to look like, what's the design, what's the scoring text here, what's the main banner, and even add different sections if you want to. But yeah, so those are the basics here in order for you to get started with Square or creating your account in Square. But that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.